Welcome to the European Atlas of the Seas tutorial on the MeasureTool. You can use this tool for three purposes. Firstly, you can see the geographical coordinates for any location on a map. Secondly, you can calculate distances between two locations. And thirdly, you can estimate surface areas. How does this work? Let's see. First, let's open the European Atlas of the Seas. To do this, you can type www.europeanatlasoftheseas.eu in any browser. When you open the European Atlas of the Seas, you will see a menu window. You can use this window to change the language of the atlas. As you may already know, the European Atlas of the Seas is available in 24 languages. To change the language, click on English. You will then see a drop-down menu with the 24 languages. You can select any of these 24 languages. For this tutorial, we will use English. We can then close this window. The Measure tool is available on the right side of the screen. As you hover over the different icons, you will see what they can be used for. The Measure tool is represented by a ruler. When you click on the ruler, you can see the three components of the Measure tool. We will start with geographical coordinates. To activate this component of the tool, click on the little map. We are now ready to see the geographical coordinates of any location. To do this, we will click on the location and we will see a little red flag appear. You see in the window that the geographical coordinates are shown. You can see the latitude and the longitude. You also see that you are able to see the latitude and the longitude of the mouse as it moves. So if we move to the north, we see that the latitude will increase. If we move to the south, we see the latitude will decrease. If we go to the east, we see the longitude increase, and if we go to the west, we will see that the longitude decreases. You have noted that we have gone from positive values to negative values. When does it change? It changes when you cross the Greenwich meridian. We can now deactivate this tool. But before, let me also note that you can see the geographical coordinates in different units. We have now seen it in decimal degrees. You can also see it in degrees, minutes, and seconds. For information, you can also open the grids. This is a specific map layer. So to open it, we will click on the magnifying glass and on Layer. In search for layer, we will type grid and you will see the available geographic grid lines map layer. When we open it, we can see that the grid is overlapped with our map. You can also hear here the Greenwich meridian. So this is very useful if you are looking for a specific location on the map. You can also see the Arctic Circle. Now, to calculate distances, we have to click on distances. Again, we click on the little ruler here, and we can see that we will be able to see the distance in different units. For example, kilometers, miles, or if you are seeing nautical miles. So, we will calculate the distance between two cities. We click first on the city, you will see a red flag appear, and then you bring it to the other city and you double click here. And you see that the distance is of 1044.5 kilometers. changing the units, you will get the distance in the different units. That's for distances. How does it work for area? For this we will use another map layer. So we will deactivate the tool and we will close the current map layers. We will clear all map layers down here. And we will deactivate the tool. To estimate surface areas, we will work in the Natura 2000 map layers. First, let's open it. We will type here Natura 2000 sites. And we will close this window to see the map. Now, what is a Natura 2000 site, you ask? To see this, you can click on the information from here and you will get a description of the map and explanation of what a Mahim Natura 2000 site is. And of course, you can click on legend to understand the different colors that appears in the map, because you see you have distinction between special conservation interest areas and special protection areas. So we will zoom in using the zoom tool and we will calculate or estimate the surface area for this site. First, we can click on this site to get more information about it. We have the site code, we have the site name, and we also see actually the site in hectare. So, how can we estimate the surface area? We click on the ruler and we choose area. We double click here. And again, you can see that you will be able to estimate the surface areas in different units. We will choose hectares. Now we will have to show which area we want to measure. So we will click on this area to define the surface area that we want to estimate. And you now see the estimate surface area. And you can see it in different units, so you can see it again in square kilometers or in hectares. Now you have seen the way that you can use the measure tool to see the geographical coordinates, calculate distances, and estimate surface areas. But you can also use this tool to work the other way around. If you're a teacher, you can ask students to find a location based on the geographical coordinates or by calculated distances. So in the Teacher's Corner, you will find different exercises and games that allow you to do this. For example, we have developed a geocaching game. For this, we will again close this map layer and open a new map layer. The geocaching game is available in the European Maritime Day in My Country 2023 map layer. So we will open this map layer. So in this map layer, all of the starfish represent events that have taken place within the framework of the European Maritime Day in My Country. If you click on the starfish, you will see information about this event. The event title, the country in which it took place, the date on which it took place, and even a website where you can get more information about this event. But there's more to this map than what we can see. The Atlas technical team has hidden 3 objects in the map. We can't see them, but they have given us the geographical coordinates where they have hidden these objects. So we know that the hidden object at a latitude of 53.4 and a longitude of 7.9. Let's find out. We open the Measure tool, choose Coordinates, activate it, and we will start searching for it. So we are at about the right latitude here, but the longitude is not good, so we will have to go in this direction to be able to find the latitude of -7.9. And it seems to be around here, so 53.4 latitude, -7.9 longitude. So it seems to be around here. Let's check out. We deactivate the ruler and we click on this starfish. And there comes the object. So it was hidden, we couldn't see it, but by having the geographical coordinates, we found it. So do you want to do this game with your students? You can find the exercise and the games in the Teacher's Corner. To do this, click on the menu. This is the icon with the 3 lines. And you can click on the Teacher's Corner. You will find the geocaching game under Quizzes and Games. And if you click on Atlas Geocaching Game, you will find all of the instructions to play this game. First, you have some information for teachers, and then you have the instructions step by step to play the game. And you have a table here with the geographical coordinates for the 3 locations where objects have been hidden. We found the first one. Will you find the 2 other ones? Give it a try. When you have found the 3 objects, you can identify what is the common theme to all objects. Now, if you're a teacher, you will also find additional information on how to play this game in the Teacher's Guide geocaching game. You can also try the other games. We have a boat race game and we have a treasure hunt. If you need additional help to use the Measure tool, you can go in the menu and click on Do you need help? This will provide you with step-by-step guidance on how to use this tool. To do this, click on Measurement Functionality. And you will see here that you step-by-step can see how to use the tool. If you have any further questions, you can also contact the Atlas team by clicking on Give Feedback. This will open a form that you can complete. Once you have submitted the form, we will receive your questions and we will be able to answer your questions by email. We hope you have enjoyed this video and that it will help you in your work and in your journey to better understand the ocean, the seas, and the coast.